Well, red tide's in full swing. Look at all this. Pretty glad you can't smell through the phone. What's up, everybody, and welcome. We're actually at Tierra Verde High and Dry. So if you read the title, you know which boat we're going to. There she is. It's a 326 Pursuit dual console. So let's jump on here and see what's going on. This is very similar to yesterday's 295. It's almost the same setup, but it's a little bit bigger. We got twin 300s. We got twin Garmins instead of one single one. It's a little bit different setup here. Cabin set up a little bit differently. You got a generator also on this one. So we only got two complaints here. One is our door right here. It says it won't close, it won't latch. You can tell right now it's not. Our second one, the actual important one here, says he gets a low voltage alarm when he turns off his generator with a charger or his motors. So let's see what we got for voltage first. Okay, let's flip on our, so we got house and generator, Star Report engines. This boat should just have 3 batteries plus a bow thruster battery, which would have nothing to do with either one of these. Turn that on. Yeah, I'd say we have low voltage. Now let's get to our batteries and check them. Under this hatch right in the middle of the boat. We open her up. All of our batteries right here are on a shelf. See it. So these two are our starting batteries. And the one right below us here, that's our house battery. Alright, so looking at our meter here, we definitely have a dead battery here. So we know we need a battery. I luckily have one with us. Now let's go check that door out. Here's the latch here. Let's close it, see what we got. I can see it's not even touching there. Looks like this has been slid back. Do a quick adjustment on her here. Working now. Now let's change our battery out. Alright, let's see what we got now. Look at that. Alright, so I just did a quick double check. We can make sure we got all of our systems working, everything here. Yamaha seems to be good. 12.5, 12.5. Well, that's all we're doing with this one. Actually got to head back to the shop and see what we can get into next. So see you there. Alright, so I was just heading back to the marina. Got a phone call, said, hey, go stop and look at this Pursuit real quick. So let's go find it. Well, we found our boat, of course, after the longest walk. So this is a 325 OS Pursuit. So let's get her lowered down here. Alright, we got her lowered down here. Let's jump on. This one actually has a no start generator problem, so let me check a few things here and see if we can figure out if it's obvious or something we gotta dig into. Just pumping water good. So I got the generator running right now. I'm gonna see if it shuts off by itself. Take a look at the boat a little bit here. That's nice. This is a 33-foot cabin boat here. Let's go downstairs. Got the whole, got rod storage there. It's like a second bedroom. Our bathroom with my favorite bowl sink. Here we got our generator panel. Our air conditioning's on. Everything's loaded up. We got no problems, no codes. So I'm not really sure what happened here, but I'm going to let it run for a little while. Hopefully, see if it's stored. I'm going to show you. Typical Florida summer. Rain every day. Oh look, there's one of our Grady's right there. That being said, today's adventures weren't too exciting, but we always have tomorrow. So I'll see you then.